We're official storm chasers now. We're rolling video, of Maupin, Oregon, July 8th, 2012. We're in the TTV6. Looking off
right next to two major highways.
To the southeast. 216 and 197.
I punched my window.
Looking to the north. Yes, you did. Dang, that's awesome right there. Holy cow. I don't blame you. I'm hoping that stuff over there will fire up. It actually looks
like that's firing. Look over there.
Yeah, that is.
And down there to the southwest.
So if we can get lucky, we'll see that ride right over the Cascades, and this will come right. We might be in the perfect spot. Might just get lucky after all. What's the radar looking like?
Lots of green. Look at they're developing right on the Cascades. Look.
Yeah, see?
Like that whole line.
Nice.
So we'll be able to get some lightning in the distance. But God, we gotta get away from the power lines too. We might have to find another one to pull out. Because that's what's ruined all my other lightning photos.
Just walk on the other side of them.
It's not that easy to do.
Shoot off that way.
Well, that's fine, but if there's anything over there.
Well, you can get in your truck and go.